Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, my name is Amina. Thank you so much for clicking in on this video. So today guys, it's a simple kitchen vlog. Just vlogging what I do preparing for iftar. I was able just to capture whatever I was able to, really, just for my memories. Yeah, just for my memories, just showing you guys what I get up to in my kitchen right now. I was just quickly just preparing uputu, but I cook it in the way that I'm not really cooking uputu directly. um I make it like pap because I'm making it for Amasi, for my son, so I don't use uputu for him. Pap is better because it's on the softer side. Even the following day when I make it warm, I'm able it gets soft, unlike uputu. Guys, I don't have a name for uputu. Do we call it loose pap? I don't know. I don't know what do we call it, but yeah, this is how I prepare pap for him, for Amasi. So now what I'm doing is I'm preparing, it's kind of like pakoras. The recipe, everything, the mix up is pakoras. Yeah, they call it veggie fritters. Yeah, in English. Yeah, but I'm making it in my own way. Usually, when I make it like this, it's just more tasty because all the flavors they mix up together, and my family like it like this. The downside of making like this is that it gets to have more oil, like your normal pakoras. These ones are more oily, but they are more tasty also. Yeah, so that's what I was doing here. Then I'm just gonna put my spices, which is my normal spices. I usually just garam masala, coriander powder, turmeric, um not so much of black pepper. I don't think I put it here. If you have noticed with my cooking, I don't really like to use too much of black pepper unless I'm like making rice, and those, like, yeah, I'm not a fan of black pepper. I just feel like I don't like the taste of black pepper in my food, so I'm not sure if I put it here. And what else? Forgetting red chili. Yeah, my normal spices, guys. I'm not really sharing a recipe. It's just you guys cooking with me and spending time with me in the kitchen. And then I'll be putting chaat masala, fenugreek leaves, and what else? I was putting again cumin seeds here, just a bit of it because I already put the powder. Yeah, this is how I'm making it. Then I would put chana flour. Yeah, it's so tasty, guys. Seriously, this is one of the tastiest my version of making pakoras. Yeah, my family really enjoy it. Yeah, anyway guys, carry on enjoying the video, please. So right now I'm just trying this hack that I saw in this other video. It was some Asian lady. She took maizena, mix it with water, corn flour, guys. Yeah, mix it with water, and she put it in her oil to clean it. Somehow everything was like just pulled up in that maizena, but in my case, not really, but the oil got to be cleaned a bit. So yeah, I think it works. So now I'm going to be starting frying my pakoras. After that, I decided I wanted to make what do you call this, moons. Yeah, I made chicken moons. So I'm starting right now to prepare the filling. So I'm actually sharing 3 days of me preparing for iftar. Some of the things that I was able to record, guys, not everything. I think it's Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So it's 3 days of just a few things that I did on those days. Also was able to do laundry. Yeah, but I'm not really showing everything me doing laundry, but it was one of the things that had to be done since I've been so lazy, yeah, to do my laundry, but I was able to finish doing it. So now I'm starting to do the dough for the moons. You just make it as you can see, guys. You can follow along. If you want a recipe, let me know. I'll write it for you in the description. So I decided to use cornflakes. I put the cornflakes in my food processor to grind it. You can use breadcrumbs. I just felt like using cornflakes on this day. It was less anyway, just wanted to finish it. Yeah. So this is what we ate on Tuesday. This is for breaking, guys. There was still food after this. Yeah. Now I'm starting with my laundry, which I was able to only separate the clothes this day. I didn't fold at all. I don't know what distracted me, but I couldn't fold the clothes. I just separated them and I was able to fold the next day. So this is Wednesday. This is together. Sorry, mommy. Why are you sorry? You don't need to be sorry. You see? Do you see? Together. We roll it. We roll it. We roll it. Then we put it inside. Yay! So on this day, which was Wednesday, cook healthy. I cook healthy. I cook better than the other days. The only thing that was not I don't think it was not healthy also, because you see how less oil I was using. But this is brinjal. Cut it in thin pieces and put some spices and basin. This is what we ate, guys. It was so delicious. Just simple food. uh, this to show you that I do cook my own food. This is like typical black people's plate here in South Africa. Yeah, because I hardly show what I cook, like my South African food. Yeah, this is on Thursday now. We're on Thursday now. Carry on with my ironing, and I'll be cooking later on with you guys. So, guys, don't you just find it satisfying to watch laundry videos when people are folding and it's so fast? It's like a machine working. I find it so satisfying. Hence, I like to do that. But because this is like kind of like a relaxing video with no music, so I chose to just do it raw. And as you guys can see, I am extremely slow. I'm very slow. I wish I was as fast as some of the videos that I have uploaded before, where I have to forward. We actually forward for time, guys, because if I was not forwarding, then the video can be like 3 hours, because sometimes I'm sitting there folding my laundry for 3 hours, but the video comes out maybe to be maybe 20 minutes or 15 minutes, or if it's less, it's 10 minutes. So yeah, that's the reason for forwarding a video, so that you get to see from the beginning to the end. So yeah, I do wish I was very fast. Yeah, but whatever I do, guys, I do it with love and I do it proper. I am that person who believes that if you can't do it nicely, then just don't even start doing it. Yeah, hence I don't usually do things if I'm not in a mood. Just like this laundry's been sitting, I think, for 4 days, because I was just not up to doing it. Yeah, but once I start to do it, I do it with love, and yeah, that's how I work, really. Yeah, but hence that's why sometimes we watch these motivational videos. Then they put us in the mood, because sometimes it's really a struggle, guys. So while I was folding, I was listening to Sister Sheila. She's from Zimbabwe. She works in Korea. I think she's been there for 10 years. Kindly go support her channel and let her know you're coming from my channel. She's very supportive too, also. And yeah, she's working on her watch time. Yeah, please go support her and show her some love. So if you are coming across this channel for the first time, I do a Mama Life content, which is laundry, cleaning, cooking, as this video is more of cooking, product reviews, DIYs, and a bit of my lifestyle, really. Yeah, guys, so please don't forget to subscribe if that's the content you like to watch. And yeah, thank you so much for clicking. Thank you so much for coming by, passing by, whatever you did. If you just happen to be watching this part of the video, thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. And just leave me a heart. Leave me, what's my favorite color? Leave me a pink heart. Leave me a pink heart, just so I can see that you are watching up until this time. So this trouser, it just actually needed to be ironed, like period, it needed to be ironed. But I tried it with my hand and it was okay after that. By the time my son wears it, it will be in a good condition. But yeah, maybe I'll still need to iron. We'll see, we'll see. Shame, I have a habit of starting my iftar things very late, and if I want to actually just film the process of me preparing, I'm supposed to at least start early, then I can show everything nicely. So here I already cut fruit salad. Now here I was making the chips using all my normal spices and chana flour. You know what, even if you don't have chana flour, if you have some spices, maybe chip spice in the house, and you have flour, you can use that and fry your chips like that. They will come out so tasty. Yeah, so you can just take the method, not necessarily the spices. So on this day, this was Thursday. Yeah, this is Thursday. Hopefully next week when I share my Ramadan vlog, everything will be maybe I'll start early in the morning, then I'll be able to show you guys everything, maybe share some recipes there and there. But for now, it's just you guys just taking some hints of what I'm doing, not really showing a recipe.
Yo guys, check this. I don't even know where did I buy this. Oh my god, I forgot where did I buy this. Oh my god, where did I buy this self-raising flour? And it hasn't expired yet. Well, I want to make scones, so I like to use self-raising flour for scones, but looks like this self-raising flour, it's not in a good condition.
So on this day, finished the moons, made the moons on Tuesday. So I still had the moons filling plus the dough. So I made that. I also took out some samosas. I was not planning on making samosa though on this day, just that we had an unexpected visitor. So I had to make that plus chips and fruit salad. Yeah, so it's only just 4 things that I made, just small quantity just for breaking. And for eating, we still had vegetables that we eat the previous day, so I just put some wings in the air fryer, then we ate that. It was still delicious. Then I just, as I told you earlier on, that I had this extra creams that I needed to use. I usually use them just to make scones. Yeah, so it doesn't go to waste. Even if it's like way past its best before date, it still works. The scones still come out tasting good.
So those are just mixing anyhow. Egg.
Sisters in humanity, let's call them that. So introduce from the book Hisnul Muslim, which I'm sure most of you guys already know of, and act upon that dua or practice that dua on a daily basis. If you don't know what that book is, it's a book of du'as that you can do every day. It includes du'as to make when you're entering the toilets, the du'a that you can make before you leave the house, the du'a that you make before intimacy. It's just a book of those du'as, and you guys can name.
Okay guys, thank you so much for clicking in and watching my video. I'll see you on my next upload. Please don't forget to give this video a like, share this video, and yeah, do the most, subscribe if it's your first time here. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
It's also a way of having our du'as being accepted as well, because whenever you make du'a for your fellow brother or sister in the deen, the angels say Ameen and the same for you. So whatever you are asking for Allah to bless them, Allah blesses you with the same as well. So brothers and sisters, remember your family members this Ramadan in your salah, at the end of your salah. Shopping for your parents this Ramadan.
Guys, I forgot to put sugar. Oh my god, I'm just remembering right now that I didn't put sugar. So now I'm going to put the icing sugar. I'll let you know how it turned out.
Even if it's a small piece of something that you can buy and bring home for the family to bring. This Ramadan, it begins with you. With your help.